Josie, I know I never told you about this kid that I used to go to school with. He was always sick, and he was always dirty, and every day he would just cough. He'd sneeze. It almost seemed like there was bugs flying around. Nobody really wanted to hang out around this kid, and no one can make sense of why this kid was never clean. But then after a couple weeks, got to know him a little bit, then it all made sense. We found out where this kid was originally from. This kid that coughed and sneezed everywhere, he was from Germany. Did you even realize that Germany?
Dad, you're ruining my childhood.